Welcome to SQI College of ICT. Today I'll be introducing the Scholarship Price Calculator. If this is your first time here, the SQI College of ICT Scholarship aims to allow individuals from any part of Africa to learn any ICT course of their choice for free, or at least at a discounted amount. So I want to show you how this works. So for example, if you take the test and you score 50%, and here you can decide to select whatever course you're interested in. So let's say I select the Software Engineering Full Stack Expert package. I also get to select the mode of class. I want a physical class. Once I'm done selecting this, I'll click on the Submit button, and this will help me with the breakdown of how much I'm to pay. So this is the registration fee. It's a one-time registration fee to cover for your ID card and portal registration details. However, this is the original amount for the course. But because of the scholarship discount that I just got, which is 50% off, I get to pay only this amount to take the course for the whole 10 months. If I decide to pay this once, I get an additional 15% discount. If I want to pay it twice, I get an additional 10% discount, or I can choose to pay per level, which is every 2 months. And with all of this, you get to learn everything right here in this curriculum for software engineering for the next 6 months. Everything that you're seeing right here, class by class. And this will be taught by world-class professionals. This will be taught by people who have experience in the field, that can guide you with real-life examples to build projects for your portfolio. And you're also going to be learning this physically. We'll provide you with every resource that you need at our campuses. All our campuses are solar powered, so you do not have to worry about light to work. I can also pick another course if I want, or I can decide to select the virtual mode. If I select the virtual mode, the price is going to be much cheaper. Here is the breakdown for the virtual mode. It's literally half of the cost. So this might be for those who do not need the physical facilities. They have their physical facilities by themselves. They just want to still be able to learn, or they do not have the time to come around to the physical campuses, or they are not close to any of the physical campuses. So this is the amount you get to pay. If you want to pay once, you're going to pay only this amount if you get 50% discount for 10 months. This is all you're going to be paying, and then you add this to your registration fee. And it even gets cheaper if you score higher than this. So the more you score, the more benefits that you get. So let's say I score 70%, this is how much I'm going to pay. However, if I score 86% and above, I get a full scholarship. It means that I don't get to pay anything at all. All I have to pay is my registration fee to cover for the portal registration details, and I can begin my classes either physically or virtually. However, if I score below 40, which is the pass mark, even though I technically failed, you're still going to be compensated with 20% discount off your course. And not only the 20% discount, if you want to pay once, you still get an additional 15% discount. And this can go very, very low depending on the course that you're interested in. So let's say you're interested in digital literacy, for example, which is only going to be so this is digital marketing. These are the list of courses. Digital literacy is only for the basic aspect of it. It's just for 2 months. And if you decide to take that virtually, you're going to just be paying 34,000 naira for that duration of 2 months. If you decide to take it physically, where you'll be provided with all the physical resources needed, you're going to be paying just 68,000 naira for the entire course for that 2 months duration. So with this, we would encourage you to attempt the scholarship test regardless of what you score. Although we advise you to prepare so that you can get more out of it, you're still in very good hands in learning whatever course that you are interested in. Thank you very much.